I would like to explain how we can use life insurance to build wealth. When most people hear the word life insurance, they think about death, they think about funeral expenses, they think about protecting their family if something ever happens to them. And why that is true. But what if I told you that some of the wealthiest families in America use life insurance for something completely different? Not just protection, but also for building wealth, for creating tax advantages, for accessing money during their lifetime, and for leaving a legacy. Today, I'm going to show you how life insurance can become more than just a death benefit and how it can become part of a long term financial strategy. There is this story about Sherry, a registered nurse. Sherry worked every night, every weekend, and many holidays. And whenever the hospital needed extra help, she would show up. She'd pick up every overtime. She believed the answer to financial security was simple: work harder, earn more, and save more. But after years of sacrificing family time and working long shifts, she still felt financially stuck. One day she sat down and reviewed her finances with me. I can see some money already saved in her retirement account. I can see a lot of money in her bank account. Yet she didn't feel in control. That's when she asked me a question many people never ask. Is my money working as hard as I am? That question completely changed everything. Now, this is what most people doesn't know. Most people think life insurance does one thing: pay a death benefit when you pass away. But certain permanent life insurance policies may also accumulate cash value over time. Think of it as having two components. Life insurance has financial protection, and that is what pays the death benefit to your loved ones. But it also have what we call cash value. That's a portion of the policy that may grow over time based on the policy structure. The cash value is what makes many people, take a second look. Now, I'm going to briefly discuss 5 ways people use life insurance to build wealth. Number one, tax advantage growth potential. One reason some people use permanent life insurance is the potential for tax advantage cash value growth. What does that mean? As your money grows, it doesn't attract any taxes when you compare it with other retirement accounts. This can help money compound more efficiently over long periods. Remember, it's not just what you earn, it's what you keep. Number two, life insurance gives you protection from market downturns. Many people approaching retirement become concerned about losing money during market crashes. You remember it has happened in America, right? Certain policies are designed so that market declines do not directly reduce the policy credited value, subject to policy terms and insurance performance. I know some of you wants to ask me some questions on that. For many people, that's an attractive feature. Number three, the third thing that this policy does, it gives you access to cash value when you are still alive. Life happens, opportunity arise, maybe a business venture or emergency occur. Many permanent policies allow policyholders to access cash value through loans or withdrawals, subject to policy rules and potential impacts on benefits. And there is no penalty. This flexibility can be valuable when used properly. Advantage number four, you can use life insurance as supplemental retirement income. Some individuals use policy cash value as part of their retirement income strategy. The goal is to create additional sources of income beyond the Social Security benefit, beyond employer retirement plans, beyond the personal savings. So diversification can create more options. I'm sure you agree. Then the number five benefit, life insurance can create a legacy. And this is where life insurance truly shines. Many assets can be depleted during retirement. Life insurance can provide a death benefit to beneficiaries, helping creating a financial legacy for your children, grandchildren, or charitable causes. Now, this is the lesson we are learning from Sherry. The biggest change wasn't that policy. The biggest change was a mindset. Sherry stopped believing that another overtime shift was the only answer. She began creating systems designed to help our money work alongside her. And that gave her something she hadn't felt in many, many years. And that is the peace of mind. Now, I want to show you how it works. So, Sherry decided to be saving $18,000 annually. That's just about $1,500 per month. And so she does this saving for 30 years. So if you multiply $18,000 for 30 years, you get $540,000 saved. Now, this is what happens at age 66 when she starts retirement. Sherry pulled out $120,000 annually for 20 years. So when you do the calculation, 120,000 for 20 years, that's 2.4 million. And remember, how much does she save? 540,000. So let's conclude this way. The wealthy doesn't just work for money. They position money strategically. Life insurance may help provide financial protection, growth potential, access to your money while you are still alive without penalty, tax advantages, legacy planning. The question isn't whether life insurance builds wealth by itself. The question is, can it become part of a strategy that helps you build, protect, and transfer wealth? For many families, the answer is emphatic yes. If you'd like to learn whether permanent life insurance could play a role in your financial strategy, I want you to start by getting educated. Ask questions, review your current plan, understand your options, and remember, wealth is not just about how much money you make. It's about how much of it you keep, you protect, and able to pass on. If you found this video helpful, I want you to like it. I want you to subscribe to my channel. And I want you to click on the notification bell so that you see as soon as I post another video. And I want you to share it with someone who could benefit from learning more about financial strategy. Our goal is to educate our community. Most of this information are hidden from our people, and we want it to go viral. And in the comments, I want you to tell me, when you hear about life insurance, do you think about financial protection, wealth building, or both?